So we're at abandoned Fort Tilden, and I'm just trying to explore. This place sure is abandoned right here. Fort Tilden, Rockaway Park, Queens. Fort Tilden, Rockaway Park, Queens. Look at this graffiti abandoned place. So guys, I am in Fort Tilden right now, and it is pretty empty. There's an airplane up there, and this area is pretty quiet. With railway tracks to where they used to mount the guns. Just gonna ride through this with the trail. So I have to go in here to explore that abandoned. It's kind of bad because I'm wearing shorts, but I'm gonna attempt to go in there. Hopefully I don't get bitten by a snake or something. Wow, it's pretty cool in here. Check this out. This is pretty cool. Wow. So guys, this is Fort Tilden. Pretty abandoned right here. Look at this. Oh wow. Guess the old railway station used to be here, because it looks like there has been train tracks that used to run here. You can still see them right here, but it's kind of been paved over the years. And right now I'm gonna climb this. Hopefully I don't fall down. Wow. Shit, it's fall off. It's pretty cool, this place. Hopefully I don't get bitten or anything. And I am back in the woods. Okay, I'm back. This is my vlog in the Rockaways. So this used to be a place where they mounted the gun. It was aimed towards the sea over there against the Germans in case they were to invade with U-boats. And they actually aimed this way in case it were to be captured. They would not be able to turn this around and fire at New York City. So I'm gonna walk up these stairs right now. So this is amazing. I'm on the high point in Fort Tilden. I'm standing on it. Look at this. Pretty amazing. Hopefully I don't get hurt or jumped. So Fort Tilden is one of those places where I come to quite often to just relax and enjoy the nature around. Okay, so I think we found the trail up from Battery House West, and then here it is right here. We turn up and then we're almost there. There's so many mosquitoes, man, that's crazy. So we're gonna head up. Hopefully, oh man, These tree branches are getting stuck on my thing, so I'm gonna go up right now. But we're gonna go in here because it's kind of hectic, but we're heading right here. So wow, this place is crazy. It's kind of haunted, but gotta get out of here soon before my bike gets stolen. So this area is rotting pretty bad. It's kind of haunted, this place too, but this area is kind of scary though. You know what? I'm still gonna advance further. Who really cares? As long as I don't get bitten or anything. But this is one of the entry points. As you can see, these railway tracks are here, and there are a couple railway tracks in there as well. We are back on the mainland, so we are safe. We are back on the roadway now at Fort Tilden. Bunker's up there, so I'll try to head up there. I am on Far Rockaway right now, and I'm about to enter this bunker. I think it's haunted. I'm gonna climb in there though. It's kind of haunted, but abandoned bunker right now. What's interesting is that it's really like pretty small in here. There's nothing really big here. Bunker's not even that high. It's like 7 feet. I'm like 5'8". This is like 7'4" or so. These are the stairs. At least at the top. And this is what you would aim right outside the shore. You see, we beach on the side. And, it definitely has not been used for many years. So this is pretty cool. And it's kind of starting to rot. You can see. Obviously, no guns here or anything. You can sleep in here though. As you can see, it's kind of like two sides. So you can aim on this side or that side. So this is an abandoned bunker in Far Rockaway, and here is where they used to probably mount a machine gun, probably a 30 or 50 caliber right here, and aim towards the shores during the German U-boat attacks. But that never really happened because they were miles off course. You can see where they would have mounted the gun, probably 1919 Browning or M2, aimed right at the shore in case boats were to invade. I'll climb this thing. A quick recap. This is the stairs you use to go in the bunker. This is, it's pretty empty in there, but here's Rockaway Beach. All right, here is one of the abandoned bunkers at Fort Tilden, so I'm about to go in. So I'm on top of the bunker, and I'm actually about to go in, so let's see. So you can be careful with this, because this is kind of dangerous. Hopefully no one's in here. And no one's in here. Oh my God. I'm inside the bunker, and this is outside. As you can see, the sea's over there. I'm right here, and this is where we used to mount an anti-aircraft gun towards the sea, towards Germans in World War II, in case they were in invade. So this bunker is really amazing. So let's go. So the second bunker is over there, 15-20 meters away from the other one. So we're about to enter that. Here's the bunker, we're about to enter it. Hello? Looks like there's no one inside. All right, about to get inside. There's a lot of bugs in here though, but. Kind of nervous though, my flashlight isn't even that deep. There's no one in. Hello? Alright, looks like there's no one in here. It's pretty haunted. Who knows what I'm stepping on? Looks like there's a lot of water over there, so I'm not really gonna go in. It's pretty wet. Look at that villain, it's pretty scary. And right here, it looks like there were some testing sites right here, or they're beds. I don't even think they're beds, but it's pretty cool here. It's kind of scary though, but just walking through this place. You can see right in here, there's nobody. Like an abandoned shed, but there's nothing really inside here. There's wood over there, but nothing really visible. So let's keep going. There's another tunnel this way, so we're gonna go in. No traps in there, all right? Wow, I can't stop on that. This place is cool, man. Look at this. Here's another one of the entry points. It's on the other end, but I don't want to go in here. A lot of footprints, so we're about to, I think, check it out. And that's the end of the bunker. There's like a little wire here, so I'm not gonna go do that, but it's blocked off over there too. In this area, I don't even know what this is, but like a secret hideout, so it's pretty cool seeing it. Just doing this is kind of cool, man. Like, gonna walk through this place. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so we're back in the passageway that leads to the other side, and we're about to go in again. Let's see. It's pretty rusty here. And here are the old bathrooms in here, which are still decaying to this day. Lucky there's no rats in here though, are they? Nah, they're rats. But they're really decaying, so. Let's keep going. What's crazy is that this little thing here is what's supporting the building. So we have an abandoned shed over here. It's kind of surreal. I gotta get out of here now. Shit. How small this space is. This area is kind of haunted. There's another abandoned house over here. We're about to go inside. There's a lot of mosquitoes around here, and this is another exit. Let's exit this right now. Here's a dead bird. I don't know why I'm filming it. I feel like I hear a bird. I hear something screaming. This area is closed off too. Looks like someone locked this area too. It means I can't get in. Let's go back. Oh my god, this is Fort Tilden. We're going out. Leaving this place soon. It's kind of. We have these things where you can lock your bikes in, but I don't really use those. I just leave it. So many. My legs are really itching now. Oh yeah, it's right here. I get bitten so many times by bugs. Let's go back. It says no trespassing U.S. government property. Let's just take a look. Let's vlog this because it's kind of cool. This place is kind of cool. This place is kind of cool. Okay, so we have a trail right here and Fort Tilden. There's one of these abandoned buildings, so we're gonna walk in. Oh my god. It looks like poison ivy, but it's not. It's gonna get mugged. Shot in here. Oh shit. It's actually pretty amazing. Believe it or not. Over a brick wall here, and there's no one here, so we're gonna climb down right now. Above these fences and Okay. So this is pretty amazing. All the graffiti around it, so this is really amazing. And there's a lot of vegetation in the back, so I think it's time to climb up here. Okay, time to get out of this place because it seems kind of haunted, but oh shit. Oh my god. Alright, we are at Rockaway Beach, Fort Tilden. There's a bunker right over there, as you can see, right over there. There's a bunker. And I'm walking on the beach, so I'm just chilling. We're at Battery House West, and this is walking on it. I'm not supposed to be doing this, so I might hurt myself, but this is pretty amazing. So I'm out here near the beach, sitting on top of a bunker, just disconnecting, enjoying my time alone. Sometimes all you need is peace by yourself. It's pretty relaxing, and as you can see here, it's really relaxing. You're sitting on top of the bunker. We're about to leave the bunker. We'll jump off right now. Look inside, it's pretty empty. There's where the gun was mounted towards the sea. So you need to drink of water.